1 week since a snowstorm left much of Acadiana covered in snow, city officials are still assessing the damage. I'm Angie St. your North Lafayette Parish reporter, speaking to officials about the impact to the city's roads.
On the heels of last week's historic winter weather, Lafayette Consolidated Government is assessing the damage and costs related to the snowstorm. One of the main areas of concern, roadways. Public Works Director Warren Abity says while the storm was unprecedented for Lafayette, city officials responded efficiently.
Preparation started over the weekend when it became apparent that this area was going to see more snow than it ever saw in the last 100 years.
Tuesday's snowstorm left many Lafayette roads impassable. Abity says LCG partnered with private companies to clear the roads.
We were able to put together a collection of equipment to clear roads. We use motor graders, which is predominantly used for grading gravel streets, and we use front end loaders and backhoes that are used to do various projects, anything from maintaining infrastructure to drainage to roadways.
Abity says his office is used to working in hurricane-like conditions, but Tuesday's storm posed significant challenges along the way.
And we literally had to dig our way out of Public Works. And our goal on Tuesday was to clear the road to where public emergency vehicles could access the hospitals, right? So we took on the task of getting all major arterials passable, which means that a vehicle could get through, an emergency vehicle could get through.
Abity says the city is now focused on evaluating the full impact of the storm, including costs for cleanup and any necessary repairs.
City officials say as for the cost of the winter storms, it's still too early to say. Angie St., your North Lafayette Parish reporter for KATC TV3.